The rent in this Delhi market beats the high-rise skyscrapers in Cyber City. Well, let me shock you. This place has no towers, no glass building, and no malls. And yet, it is way more expensive than Cyber City, BKC, and Noida Sector 62. And this is Khan Market. This is a real estate paradox. Look around. Buildings, ground plus 2 floors, narrow roads, no parking towers, and no metro inside the market. Well, now compare this with Mumbai, Cyber City, and Noida Sector 62. Well, why and how? Same country, same economy, and wildly different prices. Well, Khan Market is surrounded by Lutyens Delhi, that is the bungalow zone. India Gate within 1.5 kilometers. Supreme Court, central ministries and embassies, diplomats, policymakers. Simple logic for normal people. This market serves the people who don't ask for prices. This is not mass footfall like our Sarojini Nagar. But this is elite footfall. Rent versus price contrast. Now the numbers that really hit. Shop rents thousands to 1,500 per square feet per month. So 500 square feet shop rent 5 to 7.5 lakhs per month. And annual rent 60 to 90 lakhs. Compare that with Select City Walk Mall, in which it is 400 to 700 per square feet. DLF Cyber Hub 300 to 500. And our favorite CP 600 to 900 square feet per month. No mall in India beats our Khan Market per square foot. So why and how does this work? This mind-boggling. LBZ, the Lutyens Bungalow Zone, which has very strict rules and low height rules. Khan Market lies next to our LBZ, which means no vertical expansion, no redevelopment towers, and no scope for any expansion. No extra supply ever. Built in 1951 for the partition refugees, it became Delhi's most supply-starved market. In real estate, limited supply plus rich users is equal to prices explosion. And here's the truth people avoid. Khan Market is not expensive because it's fancy. It is expensive because it cannot be replicated. Well, you can build another mall, another IT park, another high-rise, but you cannot build another Khan Market. And that's monopoly economics. This gives a very big lessons for the investors. Old mindset, buy where construction is happening. Smart mindset, buy where construction is impossible. And that's why owners rarely sell. Brands accept crazy rents and values keep climbing silently. And this is slow, powerful generational wealth. Khan Market proves one brutal truth. Most expensive land isn't tall. It's untouchable. Real wealth hides where the supply is banned. So now you decide Khan Market is worth it or no. And see you in the next one.